Yes, in this digital age where everything and everyone is online, do you know that smart leaders are leveraging the digital strategy and systems to drive their business growth? And I want to show you how you can start doing that also. As the social distancing is the order of the day, smart people are leveraging strategies and systems to drive growth in their business, to increase their brand awareness and increase sales and conversion. Okay, what about that? Okay, you need to know how to work smarter and not harder. Okay, you need to know how to engage technology and systems and strategy and tactics and tools that works in this digital age. Okay, hi, my name is Chugo Josephat. Today I want to share with you online marketing strategy and system. We're introducing online marketing strategy and sales system. Okay, it's a system that enables you to automate your marketing and sales. Okay, we help you to discover how you will leverage technologies to make a difference. Okay, you will be discovering digital strategy and system that is changing the game, that change the game in most of our clients businesses that we introduced. This strategy works from pharmaceutical to entertainment to hospitality, which is a hospitality business, hotel, clothing, what have you, real estate, and business to business. Okay, wherever, even in the professional, in coaching and consulting business, it works like magic. Okay, where you need to know how to leverage it. Okay, you need to know how to work smarter, how to leverage system that even to automate your lead generation and customer acquisition system, so that even while you are sleeping, your business is driving creating awareness, driving traffic, and generating leads and customers. Okay, so these are what we will be showing you how to do and how it works. Okay, now what if we offer you a deal, we help you to market and drive sales on your business, and all you need to do is focus on your business, focus on delivery or whatever, and then we mind your marketing and sales system. What about that? It will blow your mind. One of our clients increased his sales to up to 900% in 90 days. In 90 days, after implementing the system for him, his sales increased up to 900%. It was amazing. He couldn't believe it. Okay, we are making an offer to help you implement this in your business, so that you relieve the time and energy, or you work in your business instead of you start working on your business instead of working on your business. Okay, so these are what we'll be looking into. Recently, one of our clients consulted and contracted us to help him develop the system, and we developed it, implemented it. Even while people are during the pandemic, people are locked down, his business was thriving. His business was generating customers. It was amazing. It's all about putting the systems in place. Under the system, you have a whole lot of things that need to be put in place. He called me the other day and said, wow, this is amazing. He couldn't believe it. Okay, the same thing is what I want to share with you in this month. Okay, we're making an offer to help people to drive traffic and increase sales up to 300 to 900% in your business within the next 30, 60 or 90 days, depending on what you prefer. Okay, in this package, we'll be offering you the following. This will come into your business. We do what we call business analysis. We analyze your business. We do business checkup. We ask you 1 or 2 questions to check up your business, to find out what is the way you consult a doctor when you are sick. We check your business and see the systems that are not in place and advise you what to do and how to do it. Okay, that's number one. So we do that free of charge for you. It's a free consultancy. Okay, and also help you with 14 days trial. Okay, of this strategy. You try it for you, we implement it for you free for 14 days. Okay, and now the next thing we'll do, we'll help you design, make an irresistible offer. Making an offer, we see a lot of people running. A lot of people think that marketing is all about advertising, or just go to Facebook and post, or you run Facebook adverts, or you boost a post. That is not marketing. You are just wasting. That's why a lot of people are wasting money on Facebook or Instagram advert, and they are not getting result, because number one, there is no offer. If you are what you are selling, there's no offer in it, it will not make any difference. You need to make an irresistible offer. We will help you to craft a catchy offer that your customers or your target audience will not resist. Okay, that's number one. Number two, we help you to identify. Another thing is identifying your audience, who are your target audience. Okay, if you try to sell a house, for instance, so somebody who does not have money to buy a house, you are just wasting your time. The digital technology enables you to target the people, even the people who have interest in the industry you are in. Okay, and then there's a strategy to do that. We will show you that, and another we will help you to develop right copy. Copywriting is one of the key techniques in marketing and sales. Okay, we run an online marketing and sales agency. Okay, we help you to sell, not only marketing. Marketing stops at advertising. We help you to make sure you drive sales on your business. Only we have a deal with you, whether we work with you as you pay us consultancy fee, or you pay us commission. Okay, the choice is up to you. Okay, so like I was saying, copywriting is the key in any marketing and sales endeavor. You need to know how to write copies. You might not know that. We will help you to come up with irresistible copies and storylines that makes people to buy what you want to sell. Okay, and when you talk about copywriting, you talk about grabbing attention, you talk about call to action, you talk about pain points and stuff like that. We will discuss all this in detail. Okay, another thing we offer you, will help you content creation and marketing. We'll help you create contents. Okay, this is is amazing. There's nobody that offers this. Okay, we are the only company. SN Digimedia Solution is the only company in Nigeria that offers online full digital marketing and sales strategy and system. It is amazing. It will blow your mind because the result you will get it will be worth the while of your time and the investment. Okay, so we will help you to create content creation and marketing. What we call content creation. Content marketing is a powerful strategy. That's one of the things we use. Many people don't know about how to use content marketing. Content marketing positions your business as the authority in your field. It makes your business to be more influential. Okay, so these are what we will be showing you even as we consult and work with you in the next 30, 60 or 90 days, depending on what you want. Okay, and another thing we'll come up with, many people don't know about what we call landing pages. If you are running campaign and you don't have landing pages, you are just wasting money. You are just wasting your time. You need to know how to use landing pages to do what? To generate leads and convert those traffic to customers. Okay, landing paging is a wonderful tool and strategy in the online marketing and sales business. So we'll help you to develop a catchy and beautiful landing page that is optimized. Okay, and then we'll call sales copies. We'll help you to write sales copies. These sales copies are copies that when people read it, they put their hand in their pocket and bring out money or bring their account and order your product right away. It's powerful. It's a technique. Many people don't know about this. These are many more. And then apart from that, what we call social selling strategy. Social selling strategy and lead magnet is amazing. This is the game changer. Social selling strategy enables you to use social selling to generate leads and to to acquire customers. We'll get into that. Leveraging social media platforms. Okay, even within this period of time, we'll manage your social media accounts. Okay, and they will help you will grow and then convert the social media followers you have to customers. Okay, that's another thing we'll do for you. Then we'll have what we call sales funneling. Sales funneling is where you funnel your sales to grow your mailing list. The people who are interested, you now have their contact, their name, their data, their number in your database. You have a mailing list where you reach out to them. We will help you to develop that sales funneling. Okay, and what we call customer journey, from where the customer starts his journey, and then you keep on leading the customer from making them different offers, even through because you have their name and you have their data. If you program even the follow-up email that goes out to your customer, to the prospects, okay, and those who have even bought from you every day or twice or thrice in a week, is amazing. Everybody said that money is in the list. That one is another game changer tool. Okay, and then we also offer you what we call SEO. SEO is search engine optimization. Will optimize your site to start ranking among the top 5 sites. Okay, 5 sites on Google. When people search for what you are selling, they will find out that your site or your online platform or page is ranking among the top 5. And I tell you, if you are not using Google to generate leads and get customers, you are leaving money on the table. A lot of people today, when they want to go to do any business, they go to Google. They go to Google, consult Google. You want to buy a shoe, you want to buy a laptop, you want to buy a house, whatever you want to buy. Google is the thing. You want to buy a software, you want to buy a gadget, you want to buy a clothes, whatever. You go online or go to Google and other platforms. Okay, we will optimize your site and start ranking so that when people who are looking for what you sell are searching for it, your site will come up. Okay, these are strategies. This in digital age, you don't need to start using traditional marketing method. In a digital age, it will not work. I was talking with a client the other day, was telling me about Billboard. Billboard it doesn't work. Today, everybody is on his smartphone. If you are not positioning your business on all the social media platforms, on Google display and using YouTube and stuff like that, and all those digital channels, you are wasting time. If you are using radio, TV, billboard, handbill, newspaper, that is trash. And it is very expensive. Okay, so you need to know how to leverage digital media to drive brand awareness and traffic and sales and grow your business and brand. It's cost effective. Okay, and so I was talking about SEO. For instance, SEO makes you, instead of you looking and running after your prospect or customer, you position yourself as an authority and they will be coming to you. So and one thing about SEO is that it makes those who comes to contact you, they've made up their mind, they are ready to close the deal. All they are looking for is the person who make the provider of the product or service they are looking for. Unlike you, when you are marketing, outbound marketing, you are reaching out, sending email, making cold call, sending proposal, you don't know who is ready. But when you inbound marketing is when you attract customers through your articles and content ranking on the social media and on Google search engine result pages. It makes the client or customers or prospects see you as an authority, and they are ready. They've made up their mind. They are searching. All they do is to find a provider or a vendor of the service or product they are looking for and close the deal. That's wonderful about SEO, search engine optimization. Okay, and then we also offer you, we set up in this platform, we also help you to set up a blog. If you have a blog, we will help you to manage it and create keyword optimized contents that will make your site to rank on Google, and and the contents that will enable you to position your business as a leader and make it more influential in the marketplace. Okay, so if you don't have a blog, we'll help you to set up a blog. Another thing we'll help you to offer is we'll offer you e-commerce system. E-commerce system. No matter what they are selling today, e-commerce is driving the game. The richest man in the world today, Jeff Bezos, who is the founder of Amazon, is running an e-commerce business. Okay, e-commerce is the game changer. Okay, all these things are where the world is going. You need to know how to position your business. Whatever you're selling today, you need to use e-commerce so that people can buy even while you are sleeping. People can make order. Your shop is open 24/7. Okay, we will help you to integrate an e-commerce in that your business. Okay, and a payment gateway that you can receive payments through. People can pay with card or pay through your account or wherever, and you deliver their service or product to them. And also we're going to help you to develop video marketing and YouTube channel. We're going to help you to develop video marketing and YouTube video marketing strategy. Video marketing is one of the most high converting marketing tools. Okay, it's one of the best marketing media. Video, and then you have a YouTube channel. We'll teach you how to use YouTube channel to position your business in the industry. Okay, and then also we help you to run online ads. The ads that will run for 30 days, we help you to run the ads for 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. Set it, and then we'll be tweaking it and we handle everything on managing your ads, or from Facebook ad to Instagram to Twitter to LinkedIn ad to YouTube ad to Google display ads. Okay, these are amazing. When you have this campaign running, okay, you'll find out that your sales at that moment. That's why what we offer is online marketing and sales system. Online marketing strategy and sales system that drives your traffic and then converts the traffic to customers. Okay, and enable you to grow your sales and business. Okay, so these are what we'll be offering you. We have this offer for 30 days. You can subscribe to 30 days. You can subscribe to 60 days. You can subscribe to 90 days. Okay, this offer we are offering 50% in this month, 50% if you subscribe this month. Okay, and then we will also getting free consultancy. We will give you a report. We will come do what we call business checkup. We will help you to check all these tools and systems and strategies, and help you to analyze what you need to introduce in your business, the strategy that will work, the system, the tools, the tactics, and then we'll give you that report free of charge. We won't pay anything, any dime. So what you need to do is to click the link below, fill out the form there, let us get your name, your company, or what you sell and stuff like that. Just fill it out. We will call you. We will schedule a Zoom meeting on Zoom. We will speak on Zoom or on any of the platform. We'll speak on phone, ask you questions, and then we'll give you the business checkup. Okay, and then we'll give you the report and the strategy we shall be implementing, and we'll help you to implement it even for trial or for 14 days. Okay, and then if you want to engage our services, we can now proceed. Okay, and this time around, if you want to engage our consulting services, we are offering 50% discount. Okay, it's amazing, and this strategy works like magic. And at the end of this, you are getting the resources, the tools, and the system. We are leaving it for you after running the campaign. So you get the landing page, you get the sales funnel, you get the mailing list, you will get the designs, because we handle your traffic design, we have the article, the content marketing, the lead magnet, we create the social selling strategies. All these things will be your assets. Okay, and then we'll set up the system, turnkey system, whenever you want, you place it on, and all the campaign will be running, or you pause it, and everything will pause. Okay, and then we'll still consult for you for that period of time. It's amazing. So this is an irresistible offer. Okay, so click the link below and secure your slot. Okay, we have slot for few organizations or individuals we can work with. We can work with much people. At every month, every quarter, we work with few people. Okay, and the first 10 organizations that subscribe to this are what we can work with. We can work with more than that. So that is how we work. Okay, so if you are one of the first 10, we will analyze you, and if you meet our criteria to work with you, you will be one of those who will work with. Okay, so fill the form, click the link below, fill out the form on our website, and we will call you, and then we will discuss, and we will give you the business checkup and analysis report, and we will take it from there. Okay, see you, and remember, this offer is valid for 30 days. This offer is valid for this month, okay, and it is coming from SNDG Media Solutions. SNDG Media Solutions is one of the leading digital marketing and sales agency in Nigeria. Okay, so we are offering you this opportunity. Grab it and run with it. Okay, if you come late when the slot is filled, we can help you. We have to wait in the next 3 or 4 months before we can open up the slot. Okay, see you and take advantage of this. I remain your friend Chugo. Josephat is my name. I'm the chief servant and chief digital strategist of SNDG Media Solutions. See you. Bye.